Hey everybody, Chris Hale with Trademark Landscaping. Today I'm doing some winter tree pruning, structural tree pruning, and I got two sycamore trees. There's that here, and another one right over there behind that car. I've already got it started, but just trying to clean this up a little bit, get it off and away from the house, so that the leaves and stuff won't really fall onto it, or if the limbs break, they won't fall down and hit the house. And as you can tell, we got snow the last couple days, so it's been kind of fun. This tree right here, they're pretty healthy trees. But yeah, they're great sycamore trees and nice hardwood, but they just need to be cleaned up a little bit and structurally pruned. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Alright, got finished with the first tree. This is all the debris that I got off of it so far. Not a whole lot, but definitely cleaned up the center of it quite well. All the way up, about 3/4 of the way up. Can't quite reach with the pole saw that I have. I just have this regular pole saw. It's a Corona. Got it from Lowe's, like $30 or something like that. Not the best, but does the job for some of the trees. This other one is my Silky, which is by far the awesomest pole saw. This is the long boy, so it only has like a 10-foot extension on it. That one I think has a 12 extension on it. So got to get some more jobs to cash flow a new Silky, the extra long one that can go out to 30 feet, and then I can get way up into those trees and be able to pull them down and cut them up. So on to the next tree. Alright, got the second tree all cleaned up here. Definitely a lot better. Opened it up for airflow and help keep the diseases out of it, like witch's broom, and that's due to anthracnose and stuff like that. As you can see, this right here, I'm going to cut that with my handsaw, which is also Silky, but I did some drop cuts on it. So you cut this bottom one first, and then you go about a third of the way in, maybe even half if you can, and then you take your last cut and you cut it off of the top, and it keeps the bark from stripping all the way back. And that's what you do with a lot of your heavier branches and stuff like that. I had to do it twice, but I can just do the rest of this with my handsaw, and then we can pick up the rest of the debris that's around the tree and throw it into my trailer. So hope you guys enjoy it and learn something from it, and we'll talk to you soon. Alright, I cut that stump off, and as you can see, it's a pretty good cut. Doesn't go too far into the collar, which is good, and it doesn't come down too far this way. But right now this will heal right over, and it'll look like that right there after a couple of years, and that'll keep the insects and disease from entering into the tree and killing it off. Alright everybody, it is all finished. I got the cleanup all done, blew some of the leaves out. Can't get them all because they're all frozen. I tried to get here before the snow came, but I was too late on doing leaf cleanup for my client here. This is the finished product of this tree. It's freaking awesome. Nice, clean, no line carried. Same with this tree here. Cleaned all the way up in there. Opened it up, got it off over the roof for the most part, just like she wanted. And you know, it's great to be able to see your work done and get it completed, and know that what you did is healthy for the tree. And you know, because these trees are expensive. Tried to replace them, remove them and replace them, stuff like that. So, you know, if this is something that you're looking for, please give us a call, or shoot us an email, text us, whatever. Find us on Facebook, Trademark Landscaping LLC, or Chris at trademarklandscapingllc.com, and we can get you an estimate and get the ball rolling so you guys can have healthy trees as well. You know what? I love my job. Love it.